Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, tire pressure monitor, rear-wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, traction control, brake assist, variable speed, intermittent wipers, backup camera, auxiliary audio input, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.